Most people believe that eating anything at night slows metabolism, raises blood sugar, and leads to weight gain and poor sleep. But what if there was one small thing that actually works with your body instead of against it? Take 1 teaspoon before bed and your body starts healing overnight. I know that sounds surprising, especially if you've been told to avoid food at night. Stay with me for a moment because this is not about snacking or sugar or heavy calories. This is about sending the right signal to your body at the right time. On this channel, VitaDocs, I focus on simple things that help the body do what it already knows how to do. And tonight, I want to share one of the most misunderstood bedtime habits I know. It is simple, it is gentle, and most people have never been taught how to use it this way. The one thing I'm talking about is unmodified potato starch mixed into cold water and taken 1 to 2 hours before bed. When people hear potato starch, they often think of cooking or baking. They imagine heat or thick sauces or processed foods. But unmodified potato starch is different. It is a raw, resistant starch. It is not cooked, it is not heated, it is not digested like normal carbohydrates. Most people have seen it on a shelf or online and never gave it a second thought, and almost no one was taught how powerful it can be when used correctly at night. Unmodified potato starch does not act like sugar. It does not spike blood glucose the way bread or rice can. Instead, it passes through the stomach and small intestine mostly unchanged. That's why it's called resistant starch. It resists digestion, and that's where the magic really begins. When it reaches the large intestine, it becomes food for beneficial gut bacteria. These good bacteria ferment it and produce compounds that send calming and healing signals throughout the body. This happens quietly, it happens gently, and it happens in a way that supports the body's natural rhythms instead of fighting them. The main system this works through is the gut and the nervous system together. Many people do not realize how closely these systems are connected. The gut talks to the brain talks to hormones talk to metabolism, inflammation, and sleep. When beneficial bacteria are fed the right way, they produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. You do not need to remember that name. What matters is what it does. It helps strengthen the gut lining, it helps reduce inflammatory signals, and it sends calming messages through the vagus nerve to the brain. That is why the gut is often called the second brain. By improving this one process, many people notice benefits in several areas at once. Digestion often feels smoother, with less bloating and less discomfort. Joints and muscles may feel less stiff, especially in the morning. Thinking can feel clearer with a steadier mood. Late-night cravings may soften. Appetite during the day may feel more balanced. Energy can feel more stable instead of sharp spikes and crashes. These are not guarantees, but they are patterns I see again and again. Research suggests these effects are connected to better gut fermentation and lower nighttime inflammation. Timing is everything with this habit. During sleep, the body shifts into repair mode. Growth hormone rises, stress hormones tend to fall. Insulin levels are usually lower. This is when the body wants to heal tissues, reset immune balance, and repair the gut lining. Taking unmodified potato starch earlier in the day can help some people, but taking it before bed seems to align best with these nighttime repair signals. The gut bacteria work overnight. The nervous system receives calming input. Many people report fewer awakenings, deeper sleep, and feeling more refreshed in the morning over time. It is not a sedative, it is a signal, a gentle one. Finding unmodified potato starch is simple. You can usually find it in a grocery store, health food store, or online. The key is the label. It must say unmodified potato starch, not potato flour, not instant, not modified, not pre-cooked. Heat changes its structure. That is why it must be taken raw and mixed into cold water. It is usually inexpensive. One bag can last a long time. This makes it easy to add into daily life without stress or complexity. Here's exactly how to use it before bed. Start with 1/2 teaspoon mixed into a glass of cool water. Stir well. Drink it 1 to 2 hours before sleep. That timing gives it time to reach the gut without interfering with falling asleep. After a few nights, you can increase to 1 teaspoon if digestion feels comfortable. More is not better. Small, regular use works best. If you have a sensitive gut, start low and increase slowly.
slowly if you have diabetes, gut diseases, kidney or liver problems, if you are pregnant, or if you take prescription medication. Please talk with your healthcare provider before starting anything new. That step matters. What can you expect? In the first few days, some people notice less nighttime hunger. Digestion may feel smoother. Bowel movements may become more regular. Sleep may feel slightly deeper. Over 1 to 2 weeks, many people notice less bloating, less overall soreness or stiffness, fewer late-night cravings, more steady morning blood sugar, more steady energy and focus during the day. Again, this is not a stimulant. It is not a quick fix. It is a gentle signal that helps the body calm inflammation, support insulin response, support immune balance, and allow deeper repair while you sleep. The bigger message here is about working with your body rather than fighting it. Healing does not always require doing more. Sometimes it means doing one small thing at the right time. If you plan to try this, or if it has helped you, type the word HEAL in the comments and share this with someone who needs better sleep or recovery. I'm Dr. Morin from VitaDocs. Take good care of yourself and make it a great day.